where we talk architecture talk with chill kwentuhan. This is perfect for your commute or habang nagpi-plates ka.
Exactly. Today, we're talking about the community life of the city of Santa Rosa City Hall, also known as the Lion City of the South. Pero instead of making it like serious, make it like kwentuhan, guys.
And for today's episode, we will talk about important things such as spaces, circulation, and even how the buildings apply CPTED, which means crime prevention through environmental design.
O diba, pang architecture pero fun, think of this as a guided conversation. Parang kwentuhan lang, but at the same time, very informative. So sit back, relax, and join the conversation.
Santa Rosa City Hall is a central hub for government transactions. And ang interesting ng design dito because yung design is to accommodate both employees and visitors. Entrance pa lang, kita na agad yung open plaza area na nagsiserve as gatherings and waiting space.
Tama. Importante kasi ang civic buildings to encourage interaction and accessibility. Inside, the layout is divided into functional spaces like offices ng mayor, city council, iba't ibang departments, and of course, public service counters.
Plus, the lobby is wide and welcoming pati na rin ang ibang staff. Hindi siya cramped kaya it can handle a lot of people. May maayos na flow papunta sa iba't ibang sessions kaya hindi ka mawawala.
So now, let's talk about the circulation here at Santa Rosa City Hall. Alam niyo ba, partners? Nasa entrance ka pala, secured na agad. Dahil may mga security guards and police officers na nagkakatay. Kapansin-pansin din sa gitna, ang open plaza nun is civil central space kung saan dito makikita mo yung iba't ibang buildings na nakapaligid dito na nagbibigay ng ibang gamit or servisyo sa atin. Then, pagkapasok mo pa lang sa kanya-kanyang buildings, nandiyan na agad ang kanilang mga information desk. Kaya hindi ka pa na maliligaw. Bukod dito, meron silang maluluwag na lobbies. Also, yung mga staff nila is very approachable. Kaya, ang welcoming din ang dating.
Yup, and for vertical circulation naman, meron silang staircase doon banda sa kanilang main lobby and elevators na rin. May ramps din for PWDs and curb ramps doon naman sa mga pathways. So inclusive ang design. You can easily move from ground level up to the higher floors nang walang masyadong hassle.
Horizontal circulations is also well planned. The hallways are wide, derecho, and properly zoned. For example, public service counters are concentrated near the ground floor for easy access, while administrative and executive office are in the upper level with more security.
And take note hindi lang sila organized sa loob, pati sa labas. The vehicular circulation is efficient. May drive-away and drive-off sa front ng entrance, tapos yung mga parking spaces is meron sa side and back, tapos yung pedestrians is gumamit sila ng mga shaded walkways.
Kaya ang masabi ko talaga, overall, ang galing ng flow nila. From tao and sasakyan. From, like, public users, employees, and officials, each have their own circulation paths. Like, hindi nagsasapawa. Kaya smooth and stress-free yung movement sa loob and labas ng City Hall.
So, sino-sino nga ba yung gumagamit ng City Hall? Una, syempre yung employees. Clerks, staff, admin workers. Kasi sila yung backbone ng day-to-day operations. Nandyan sila sa iba't ibang departments like civil registrar, treasury, HR, and engineering.
Siyempre, nandiyan ang ating mga officers like mayor, vice mayor, city councilor, and department head. Sila naman yung mostly nasa upper floor or secured office where policy making and executive function happen. Tandaan nyo ba mga partners, yung pinuntahan nating engineering office, located sila sa third floor, di ba?
Bukod naman sa mga officials, syempre marami ring visitors ang pumupunta ng City Hall. Karamihan ay mga residents na nagpaprocess ng documents, gaya ng birth certificates, business permits, o tax payments. Meron din pumupunta para sa legal o social services. At kung minsan, may mga estudyante rin o educational tours o gumagawa ng case studies tulad natin ngayon. Pati na rin yung mga turista na curious kung bakit nga ba tinatawag na Lion City of the South ang Santa Rosa.
Kaya ang ganda kasi yung design balances all these users. Yung public areas, napaka-welcoming, tapos yung service counters rin are efficient. While yung restricted areas naman keep the workflow of employees and officials safe and organized.
Now, let's apply the crime prevention through environmental design. Number one na dyan is natural surveillance. The open plaza and glass featured allow visibility. Walang tagong sulok na shady. Plus the wide window in some office so that the staff and the guard observe what's happening outside.
Sa access control naman, may guard sa main entrance, visitor login system, and employee-only doors. Controlled pero ang smooth ng movement ng mga tao. Even the driveway and parking areas are strategically positioned so yung traffic is directed and hindi basta-basta nakakapasok yung mga unauthorized vehicles.
So the next is territorial reinforcement. Kita agad the government space dahil sa mga signage at malinis na landscaping na nagpapakita ng authority. May zoning dates sila. From public counters sa ground floor and restricted offices sa taas na nag-reinforce ng territory. Yung employees nila is also praised well na nagme-maintain ng premises. Malinis at maayos, kaya mas safe yung pakaramdam mo.
Pang-apat is yung maintenance. Maliwanag at malinis naman daw yung Santa Rosa City Hall doon sa lampo sa plaza at yung streetlights sa driveway. And based sa ating respondents, wala naman daw blind spots. Pero may suggestions sila like additional lighting and upgraded surveillance cameras para na rin siguro ma-ensure yung safety all throughout the day.
Actually, may isa pang point, the activity support. Because as we can see naman, di ba, na the open plaza and front ground are often used for flag ceremony, event, and gathering. It may constantly legitimate activity. This discourage loitering or unwanted behavior.
And add ko lang ha, for image, yung architecture design yung nag-keep up ng good impression ng mga tao sa isang building. And for Santa Rosa City Hall, malinis yung facade nila and yung design nila is nakakapag-communicate na this place is very respected. Kaya dapat yung behavior mo is maganda rin or maayos.
Kaya overall, Santa Rosa City Hall applies CPTED effectively for visibility, control, maintenance, at community activity kasi they value the safety of each people.
Exactly. Pero mayroon pa like clearer signage at dagdag security personnel. Design choices. Kahit simple, malaki ang impact sa safety.
Actually, yung napansin ko talaga is the balance of openness and security. The lobby is open and welcoming, pero once you go deeper, may guards and checkpoints na nag-control ng access to more private areas. So may hierarchy ng spaces like public, semi-public, and restricted.
True ka dyan, sis. Pero what's nice, diba, hindi siya nakaka-intimidate. Yung pagpasok mo, may malaking lobby, natural lighting, at clear yung mga signage na napaparamdam na para bang professional yung dating, tapos approachable. It sends a message na this is the people's hall, not just an office building.
And that's the important in civic architecture. It is accessible to the people, but secured for the workers and officials. The circulation reinforces like madaling pumunta sa service counters, pero yung executive offices are still protected.
Dagdag ko lang the environmental outside support is 5 din to kasi The open plaza and the landscape surrounding creates a civic identity. May shaded walkway, benches, and green spaces that makes waiting or gathering more comfortable. Para siyang extension ng building na ginagamit ng tao.
And yung lighting and maintenance also stand out Well-lit yung pathways and interiors kaya mukhang safe kahit gabi. Plus, malinis and organized ang buong lugar. When a public building looks cared for, people respect the space more.
Kaya in summary, Santa Rosa City Hall really works both as a government hub and a civic space. It really shows that the design can balance function, security, and community presence in one place.
So ayun, medyo napapahaba na ata yung kwentuhan natin over na sa time ni Rep, tsaka sa chikahan.
Time niya, Rep. O siya, mag-goodbye na tayo.
Over naman kasi sa daldalan
Kaya nga pero at least diba, marami tayong nalaman about sa City of Santa Rosa ng City Hall nila.
Truth, tsaka at least, mas naging knowledgeable tayo.
Wow, knowledgeable. Pero sa totoo lang, mas marami talagang matututunan lalo ng mga architecture student dito. Makakakuha sila ng idea about designing the City Hall.
And nakapagbigay rin tayo ng opinions about sa observations natin. I think it's time to say goodbye to our listeners.
Yes, so ayun guys, it's time to say goodbye.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!